Wait, is it gonna play on its own? Oh, wait, this voiceover thing recorder is amazing. What the heck? I didn't even know it was that easy. Let it go. Wait, oh yeah. This is a video on me shipping my product. That's my cat, Sushi. What's up, Sushi? Hey, yo, chill, bro. Yo, chill. Oh, shit. Damn. What? He crazy. Oh, yeah, he got hit. What is this? These are my loose prints. I sign them. Hold on, can I pause this? Alright, yeah, these are my 11 by 17 inch signed prints. That's the baby, that's baby time. If you watch my twitch.tv/Jeremy Worths, then you know baby time. But yeah, I signed these, put them in my sleeve. Ooh, what? What? Ooh, wait. Wild little baby. Yeah, he's been wild for a while. This is old, actually. This video was this 3 years old, and then I'm just now doing a voiceover. Yeet. I didn't know Filmora had a record audio option. It's pretty lit. What? Random baby hugs? Jeez. Oh my god. Little babies all over the place. Oop. Package them, write the name of the print. We're gonna do a frame print. As Ali. I had already did my little matting hack. I'll show you later on in the video. Sign them, stamp them. Baby gets go pick stuff up. Yeah, babies. Sign it. Ooh, wee, that thing nice, boy. But that thing nice. Don't tell me something, baby. Hey, that thing nice. Ooh, look at them prints. Oh, damn, Sush. You fart? Dang. He farted on those, so they're probably worth a little bit more. 11 by 17 frame prints. The frame is 20 by 16 frame. 16 by 20. The full dimension is like 18 by 22. Ooh, I done wrote all this stuff out. This is 3-year-old video. I had already did all this. Just now doing the voiceover though. Let's go. Oh, look at that Tupac. That thing nice, ain't it? Boy, you crazy. That thing nice. Ooh, that's back in the day too. That's food porn. Sign that thing, flip it over. Ooh, wait, sign the back of that thing, let go. Get it poppin'. Ooh, we got collectors out here. Sign the back of that thing. Bow. Stamp it. Bow. Okay. Ooh, that's ooh. All right, here's how I ship my stuff. I buy these from Home Depot, 22 by 22 by 24 boxes. They're the large boxes, not heavy duty. I flip them over. This is, I mean, you can do mostly any size, but it's literally perfect for my 16 by 20 frames. Oh yeah, thought I wasn't gonna wrap that thing, boy. Ooh wee, I thought I was slipping. Ooh wee, wrap that thing up. Before this, I used to order boxes, you know, the big boxes, have to put like insulation in it, and still they was breaking. Bow, break. And then after I figured out this hack, no breaks, and it's been at least what, 500 frame prints. Probably way more than that, because mostly people buy my frame prints and my 30 by 18 canvas prints. Take that thing up, write the name of the print on it, push that thing to the side. Like, oh yeah, oh what? Boy, wow. Look at that thing go. I don't use that tape no more. That tape costs way too much. Shit. That tape costs way too much. I was trying to style on them with the brown. That shit was like plastic. Sushi don't play that. He bought that life. Wrap that thing up. What is that? That was a Goodyear. Write the name on it. Sinatra. Yeah, this is when people bought my frame prints all the time. Back then. It's mostly canvas prints now. Yeah, I mean, if you see the technique, I mean, it's hard to miss. You grab a box, cut it in half, do the put whatever, you know, big object print you're trying to ship out. Even if it's small, you get a smaller box. Cut it to size, fold that thing up. But this is hacks. What you talking about? This is hack. Those boxes are what, $2.14, and I can get 2 frame prints or 2 canvas 30 by 18 canvas prints in it. That's delicious compared to paying like $2 or $3 per giant box plus insulation. Yeah, nah. We're saving money here. That was a little added message that they wanted. Ooh, we look at that set. I see you, player. That, what's that? Kawhi Leonard laugh. I can't even do it. Shit. Oh, wait. Oh, my bad. It's still fire though. Shit's still fire. Oh, that's look at that. You can get 2 frame prints. I think I can get up to 4 with one, with, you know, the dual side box. I can get up to 4. That's hacks, man. That's super duper hacks. What are you talking about? Oh, what? The text? The text? So, actually, I was probably looking at my Etsy, seeing if that's the correct order. Ooh, that boy look like a business. He a business, Sandy. That's back in the day too. Put them cards on now. Yeah. Let go. There we go. Put the shipping labels on there. I usually print the labels first. Well, I used to, and then actually now I don't print the labels till I'm done with everything. Because I don't know, I need to print them first like I used to, like this. But look at all the business cards well, yeah, those me putting business cards on there basically lets them hand them out to their friends when they come see them, you know, see the prints hanging. And then, that's a good ship out right there. That's nice. There's a little style on them. I see you. Appreciate it. I see y'all. GG, boys. GG. Hey, drop that subscribe. Drop a like and comment. I see you.